So I'm with Chloe, our roving reporter here in the UK. Chloe, Monard Precision Engineering, you've just been inside talking with Kevin, who's one of the shareholders in the company. What's he have to say about the business?
So, great business. They do milling work and lathe work. They've also got laser marking in there, so they do a whole range of engineering work. Normally it's 3-axis milling work, but they've also got 5-axis capabilities. They work in the pharmaceutical industry, they work in the laser industry, they work in data gains industry. So there's a lot going on inside this building behind us.
And are they busy?
Yeah, very busy. They've still got capacity for work, but as soon as coronavirus hit, everything didn't stop, it was just put on pause. But as we're picking back up, he's got loads of work flooding in.
What impressed you about what you saw in terms of what they were making in there?
I think the high accuracy work and how much love and care Kevin has for this company. The amount of, especially because it's for pharmaceutical work, it's got to be bang on, it's got to be nice and smooth, it's got to be everything that the pharmaceutical needs has to be. And they're doing some really good and intricate work in there. It's fantastic. So he's got 9 workers in there and they're all working on FANUC controls. They've also got feature cam as well, which they're able to process and post out these programs.
What's the actual machines that they've got? Okay.
So they've got Doosan's in there. He couldn't express more how good these Doosan's were, and the parts that he put in were extraordinary.
And 2 newish ones recently as well.
Yeah,
said.
definitely. The newest one was in Feb, and you could see from the control panel how new and upgraded the systems were. And he said it's just fantastic. So they're doing small batch work, but it's high accuracy and high intensity for this machine.
Have they got capacity at the moment for people that are looking to subcontract work out? And if they have, from what you've seen, would they be a good place to ship it to?
He said there's always room for some more capacity. He is actually doing lots of work, but he said there's always room. And if anybody's interested in sub-machining, this is the place to go.